because it's very critical. I mean, I think this is critical to healthy living and healthy aging.
Healthy aging.
Yes.
So how do you think, if you got somebody, okay, so general, good health, they start eating right, exercising right, the right kind of supplements, stress reduction, hormone optimization, you think if you caught them at 50, that in their 80s and 90s, they could be acting like a 50-year-old?
Oh, certainly. I mean,
you believe that, really?
Oh, certainly. Well, I could give you an example. I have a patient who was in his early 80s who came to me with a cane, walking into my office. And he had every, symptom you could known to man. For instance, decreased energy, low sex drive, low libido.
Of course, he's 80.
Yes, he's 80 years old. Right. And he didn't have the energy to exercise. He could only walk one block and back home again. So he wasn't very happy with where he was feeling, even at 80s, in the mid 80s.
Yeah.
So I started him, checked his blood levels. Started him on a program that was appropriate for him. And then, I got a call maybe a month later from his a friend who they were on a cruise ship to Alaska. Yeah. And he was dancing and without a cane and, having a great time on board. And, they were concerned. His friend was concerned and asked me, is that okay? Could he do all this? I said, of course, he feels much better. And he said, I gave his life back, gave him back his life because he felt so much better. After starting testosterone and DHEA, those are the two main hormones I put him on. And, most
Is this
men
one of those
do that.
things where they say, men and women, they'll say, I should have done this years ago?
Oh, definitely. And
really?
Yes, certainly. People are being more proactive. So they are coming to me at an earlier age now, in the late 30s. And some people are even having the levels done quite early. So they feel good now. And then 10 years from now, then they could compare how they feel and, look at their levels back then. So they optimize their levels to where they were back then, back 10 years ago.
Right.
So they feel a lot better.
So an anti-inflammatory diet. We haven't talked a lot about your exercise philosophy and approach.
Yeah, I can't go into all of that because there's a lot, but suffice it to say there is, factors involved are like flexibility training, cardiovascular, strength training, resistance, all of these are critical to keeping your lean mass.
Now, we are just about out of time, but you have a detox element to this.
Yes.
Explain that, because when I think, obviously, detox, drugs, alcohol, but this is different.
Yes, certainly. Because, the liver processes everything we put into our bodies, and we need to detox our liver. Our gut, intestinal tract is also needs to be detoxed. And,
so you have cleanses, I'm reading here, probiotics,
yes, exactly.
micronutrients.
That's correct. Because how will you be able to absorb the good nutrition if you have a toxic gut with yeast overgrowth and,
So
toxins?
These people get detoxed as just part of the program?
No, but actually it's those who need it.
Okay.
Yeah, those
some people come to you, they're highly functioning, they just want to take it up a notch.
Right.
And some people come to you sick.
Yes, so I recommend highly that they go through a detox program to get rid of toxins and alcohol.
So they heal their body?
Yes.
In a way.
Yes,
okay.
So it's ready for absorb the nutrition, the good nutrition.
Is it cold turkey? Do you taper them off slowly?
I taper them off slowly, yes. Yeah, it's not something that's done, overnight. So yeah, it has to be done slowly, and so it's preparing the body for the good nutrition. I think it's our lifestyle that people need to be very serious about, especially.
So it is a lifestyle.
Yeah, of course.
We always hear that, yes, but I mean, it's really this longevity.
It's a lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Yes, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, you want to feel better than you are, or not feel worse than you are today. So it's something you look for, to keep up as years go on. When you get to the 80s and 90s, you still feel good and you have the good habits so that you avoid all the age-related diseases.
Now, I know a female, a 50-year-old dentist.
Yes.
She says, Randy, when I started doing this, my skin got better, my wrinkles went away. It's not like a big exaggeration. She says, I got lean, my body fat went down, I started seeing my muscles again, my libido's through the roof.
No.
Really?
That's exactly.
Because I always think it's a bit of an exaggeration.
No, that's a typical benefits I see for myself and my patients. So it's not an exaggeration. No.
Is that right?
Yes.
we're out of time. Very interesting. Big topic. This is all on your website.
Certainly,
as well.
yes.
Okay. And, but final message. Somebody watching this, maybe they're 40, 50, and everybody wants to feel fantastic. Okay, maybe they're skeptical, maybe not. Give us a recap.
Yeah. Well, in closing, I would say that people do want to feel better as they go into their 50s, 60s, and 70s. They want to do things they did before, like go skiing. I have patients who do heli skiing,
Really?
and they take, and we adjust their levels so they have more energy, when those times comes around that they want to do these extreme sports. I mean, we are able to do what we did when we were in 20s and 30s, now in our 50s. If we optimize our hormones, eat right, and do fitness, and we will live fulfilled lives, because we all want purpose in our lives as we get older. So life doesn't stop at 50 like it did years ago.
Okay.
So there is
on the telephone. I loved it. I said, "Tell me about your program," and it was really the first thing you said, and I wrote it down. You said, "My program allows people to do more of what they like to do."
Exactly. So
I didn't quite catch it when you said that.
Yes.
But you're saying because of the increased energy.
That's right. Then now they
you can
have
golf more. You can
certainly they have a renewed purpose.
Run and a renewed purpose.
Certainly a renewed
purpose. Like a
purpose.
second chance now.
That's right, and they are fulfilled as
Interesting.
people. Yes, because why should we live longer if we don't have, the quality of life and the reason for living longer? And once you start replacing hormones, people's lives will change. I mean,
so is this the new way of aging gracefully?
This
is it. This is the new way to age.
Definitely.
Hormone optimization.
Definitely.
Well, thank you for coming on the show. Very good.
Thank you, Randy.
Excellent. You've been watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. If you would like to see this interview again or point a friend to view it, you can go to our website at wellnesshour.com and just type in Dr. Peters or hormone optimization. For now, I wish you good health.
Thanks for watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news with your host, Randy Alvarez, the authority on health issues.